Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I'm fine.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Still living
But-
here.
Sa usual, life. No, okay. Maybe I find a work good time na makahanap ako ng maganda-gandang trabaho kung kaya ko pa naman. Well, I am 62 years old.
How
62. Yeah.
Okay.
My.
Okay. 62 years old.
Yeah,
Okay.
senior citizen. At hindi pa naman ako nakapaglakad ng senior ko kasi nagkasakit nga ako eh. Acidic ako. Hyper acid. May 60 sa hyper acid.
Oh, okay.
So,
Kung sa
very
anak
hard.
nyo,
Ayan, awa ng Diyos. Nag-extra kaya parang may
napuyat.
na kami. Oo, pagod.
Oh, wow.
Ano kasi sila yung nagbubuhat ng lipat bahay ba? Pag may tumatawag sa kanilang kaibigan niya na ganito ganon kanila. Minsan tatlong lang biyahe ang nila.
I'll get it. Okay.
Tatlong biyahe lang ang nagawa nila. Hindi. Halimbawa, ang biyahe nila Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yun, 3 araw lang. Kasi mayroong nag-extra din ang humingi din ng 3 araw doon sa kaibigan niya
Oh.
para man din sa pamilya.
Di,
Naman ng kunti. Kaya lang minsan maliit ang din ang bigayan sa kanya. Kasi dalawa silang painanti.
Oh. Saan ang bahay nila?
Sa yun? Sa Alabang.
Alabang.
Mm.
Pero sa pag-probinsya, magkano nalala doon? Magkano?
Mas, lalo sigurong mapalaki sa probinsya, siyempre wala kang paglilibangan doon. Pag probinsya kasi, wala ka namang, laging manonood ng TV. Siyempre, pagka tapos mong manood ng TV, nakapag-isip ka ng ano bang gusto kainin. Di wala rin. O, at least dito, makakain-kain ka man kasi makakadiskarte ka. Madali ang pera. Kahit maliit lang. Kagaya ng probinsya na wala talaga.
So, pero magtanim-tanim ka lang.
Oo. Yan lang. Kaya
Yan lang.
ngayon sa probinsya talaga, ang taniman ngayon, ito pang buwan na to. Yun. So, ang yan, June, July, August, mga October, ganun. 4 na buwan magpapakain.
So, wala ka nang buhay ng probinsya.
Wala na, wala na rin ang mga kapatid na doon. Dalawa lang kami nandito.
Oh.
Two brothers ko, wala na, patay na. So, yung sumunod sa akin, punto namin, saka yung sinundan ko. Bali, dalawa na lang kami, ako at saka yung ate ko. Nandito, yung nasa Batangas ngayon.
Okay.
Kaya mahirap.
Mahirap talaga yung probinsya.
Oo, nung maganda-ganda pa nga na buhay ko na. Awa ng Diyos, nagkapagpadala rin naman ako sa ate ko, padala ako sa papa ko,
Wow.
padala ako sa kapatid ko. Oo, talagang ginagabayan din naman ako ng Panginoon.
Oo.
Hindi ako pinababayaan.
Yung tangawa, nasa
Oo,
taong
talaga. Pagka gumawa ka talaga ng magandang linggo-linggo yon, padala ako sa kapatid ko 1.5.
Wow.
Basta ako natatawag na, Manong, mayroon pa bang kumusta ang buhay? Ito, sabi niya. Pero di ko sinasabi papadalan ko. Kumbaga, surprise. O, punta ka na sa Palawan. Akala niya Palawan province. Sabi ko, hindi. Ay, layo naman nun. Hindi. Basta punta ka sa Palawan, abangan mo lang doon. May biyayan darating sa'yo.
Wow.
Pagpunta doon,
Ang bait mo naman, Nay.
siyempre, sabi ng kapatid ko,
Pero anong dating mong trabaho?
ganito rin, sweeper ito pa rin, scavenger, sweeper.
Parang ano?
Then,
Tupad.
ay wala, ibang tupad, sweeper sa barangay.
Oh.
Ang tupad kasi is only 10 days lang yun, di ba?
Oh.
Tapos mag-antay ka ng sahod. Minsan inaabot ng 15 days bago ibigay sahod.
Oh.
Ay nako.
Nakautang-utang ka na.
Nagkabaon-baon ka na sa utang. Hanggang sa lumagpas na sa collateral,
Oo.
magkano lang yun? 7,000? Ay, 6,000 nga lang yata ngayon.
Ang alam ko, 5,500. 5,500.
Dati talaga, ang anuhan yan, 7,000.
Ah,
Buo na 7,000. Ngayon,
pero,
may cutting. Eh, siyempre, alam mo na, Pilipino. No? So, sir,
yeah.
Pilipino. So, that's why cutting. Oh. Ano man,
Nakakat na, pagdating sa ano, wala na.
pagdating sa utang, may balance ka pa. Patay na. Parang itong ano nga yung kapitan namin, sabi niya, ate, ang upahan ka.
Oo.
Ako ang magda-down deposit. 2 months deposit, 1 month advance.
Oo.
Kap, magkano naman? 3,000. Oh my God. 3,000 and then, may salary always 1,500. Oh, di may balance pa akong 1,500. Sa sunod na ano pa, pagdating pa ng ano, mayroon pa rin. Parang sabi ko, I give up. Sabi ng kita namin, hindi mo kaya. Kap naman, isipin mo. 3,000 yung bigay mo sa akin paupahan. Ang sahod ko, 1,500. Oh. So, 1,500. Ibig sabihin, hindi ako makabigay ng buo sa loob ng 1 buwan. May balance pa ako. Pagdating naman sa ano, nag-ipon-ipon pa. 3,000 na ulit. Ay, naku po.
Yun lang.
Pinagtawanan ako ng mga, yes, maganda magpaliwanag.
Birthday.
Yes, my favorite. Oo,
Oh.
sarap.
Sa ano? Mainit na kanin.
Oo. Mamaya, maglulugaw ako.
Pwede. Anong oras magigising ang anak mo?
Maya pa yan, katutulog lang yan.
Ay, katutulog niya. Oh, the son is tired from working, so he's sleeping now.
There we go. Oh. Okay, ma'am. Well, I hope the pancit and dillis will help.
Yes, delicious.
Yes.
Amen. I'll go to the store now and then buy some coffee.
Coffee. You get pandesal?
No, not pandesal na.
No.
No pandesal na. But
Oh,
this
it's only in the
afternoon.
morning. Okay.
Yeah, only in the morning.
You-
And afternoon, no pandesal.
But pandesal is good
Maybe
with
I
the
buy some
pancit.
the other bread, not
Yes.
pandesal.
Many times I get the pandesal and I put the pancit in there.
Yeah.
Masarap.
Sarap talaga. Siyempre, palaman sa tinapay, di ba?
Oo. Oo.
Wala no peanut butter, no dairy cream, no only nothing. Oh.
Maybe
Yeah.
someday.
Oo.
Maybe, yeah, like Lila said.
Maybe this
Yeah.
one. Delish.
Dillis. Good with my, Lila said that's good for to go with rice.
I
Yeah.
don't know. I ano.
Me too.
Yeah.
Wala.
Me too. Me three.
Sometimes eating the dried fish.
Oh,
Oh my
dried
God.
fish.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, they're not too hard. If you mix it with the rice, they get soft, and then
Yeah, because very small.
Ganito na.
Ah.
Siya nagprito.
Asya.
Siya rin
You
ang-
cook?
Siya rin
Oh.
ang nagluto ng pansit.
yeah, and the pancit.
Wow. Very good. Thank you very much.
Siyang tagaluto ko.
Oh. Marunong.
Lots of chicken in that pancit
Yeah.
right there. Made it extra good. Just
Me?
oh yeah,
Try,
Lots of-
try to taste.
Pansit. Ay, chicken.
chicken lots of big pieces of
Yung kamay
chicken.
ko, wala nga fish. Wala nga,
Walang takas.
wala nga.
She wants to look. Oh, that's the one that
But
closes
I have
very
a
tight.
problem about my hand.
Oh, Lila.
Yeah, because ano,
Okay.
You sit down.
like your phone.
No.
Yan, see? Sarap na to. Wow!
Oh,
Chicken.
yeah, it's chicken.
Delicious.
Grilled chicken pancit.
Thank you very much, sir, for your content.
Oh, you're welcome.
Very masarap.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, salamat. Maraming salamat. God bless you always.
Yes.
Yeah, bless
You
you.
also, your wife.
Oo.
Yeah.
Hello, brother.
Hello na.
Hello, brother. Hi.
The sun is awake.
So,
Good morning.
so now I'm going to that store, buy some coffee. Kape na. Kape na kape.
Dilis.
Kan mana?
Pansit. Nagdala kang pansit. Nagluto si Kuya ano.
If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like and share. God bless.
Ha? Parang ganon.
Parang ganon, yeah. You made it.
I made it.
That's good.
Hope it's okay for you, Felix.
It's all good for me.
Oh, that's good. So you work Lala Move.
Yeah.
That's good.
Not all the time.
Just
Sometimes,
a few times a week.
4 days a week.
Oh,
Sometimes 2 days a week.
All right.
Not good enough.
Yes. Here, you talk to. I don't like my phone sitting out in the street.
Ano, ganun mo lang
Eh,
sa bibig mo. Kasi ano, parang makakala yung ano yung noise. Takpan mo na
Yes.
para
Yes.
bilangaw.
I'm going to cover it first.
Okay. I had to move the phone from the street. You never know who might drive by and say, "Hello, new phone."
Yeah.
But I couldn't put it in the driveway here because it's angled. Oh, thank you, Lila, for yes. So she talked with your mom quite a bit there in Tagalog, so you know a little bit of English. So I'll talk to you a little bit. We were having my gimbal was malfunctioning when I trying to do with your mom. It kept turning itself sideways on me. Oh,
So now you fix it.
yeah, I reset it twice. So you got a job at Lala Move for 4 days a week or so. Good salary or okay.
Yeah. Good.
It's good. Better than nothing, right?
Yeah. Better than that.
But it's really expensive to try to get off the street because you got rent, first, last. Well, a lot of places just first month and deposit.
We
Yeah,
don't have money for that.
it's hard to save.
Yeah.
Very hard to save up that amount, especially when you live on the street.
It's only good enough for food.
Yeah, it's enough for food and definitely not enough for everything. It's enough to pay the rent once you have a place, but no food.
No food. No
So you
food,
either
no medicine.
yeah, for your mom, medicine, yes. Mahal.
Very expensive.
Yeah.
I'm always trying hard to save money for her medicine.
Very
So
difficult.
sometimes I don't eat.
Right.
I just buy her medicine instead.
Buy her medicine and some food and walang pera again. All right. Well, hope we didn't wake you up. Don't want to disturb you because when you came up, you were sound asleep.
Already awake.
Oh, were you? You were just you're pretending to sleep because.
Just laying down.
But then when you heard there was food, you get up. The food? I'm hungry.
I heard
I did joke with you. Boy, that LRT is noisy. So I knew this guy 12 years ago. Back before I ever met my Lila. Yes. Oh. All right. Well, we're gonna. It looks like it's gonna rain again. At least you can hide under the awning here. No, no, stay dry. Oh. Well, we're gonna try to get out. We're gonna try to get home before it rains. Yesterday we were over here with Boo. You know Boo. We were over there seeing him yesterday, and I said, "Oh, it's gonna rain. We better go." We didn't get very far, and here come the rain. We- yeah, I feel it in my bones. Arthritis. So when it's gonna rain or damp, I start getting yeah. All right, y'all. I hope you liked today's video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit the like button, share, so we can help more people. Maybe one of these days my channel will be large enough I can help people like this get off the street, get them into a place. People that have a work or senior citizen, somebody with a baby. We're trying to help a couple that have a baby, and it's really tough because my channel, kulang, no money.
Maybe one day.
Maybe one day. Never give up. Just keep going strong, just like you do. Never give up. Just go strong. Alrighty. No, I'll just put her in next to you. All right. I don't know how good this video is going to be.
Lila, I seen a mermaid. Let's go see if she's hungry.